Hi everyone, welcome back to 汉字说故事 The story of Chinese character. Today, we are going to learn 子 which means child. The character originally looked like a baby with two little legs close together, big head, and tiny arms sticking out. And then it evolved into this. The first one is oracle bone script. Second one is small seal script around 221 BC. It's like a baby who's not quite ready to crawl around yet. Over time, this cute little image evolved into the 子 we know today. Now, here's something interesting. Remember when we talked about the character 女 in episode 12, which means woman. When you put 女 and 子 together, you get 好 which means good. Why? Well, one theory is that in ancient times, men thought having a woman and children was the ideal life, so they called it good. Well, that's an ancient perspective. Nowadays, 好 simply means good in English. And here's another cute one, the character for pregnancy. It shows a mama's belly carrying a baby inside. And then we write it. We pronounce 孕 means pregnant. Isn't that adorable? Let's review. Today we introduce 子 which means child. When we put woman and child together, we say 好 means good. And another cute one, a baby inside a mom's belly, we say 孕 means pregnancy. 子 好 孕